What we were trying to get at really was to try and make a performance installation piece that bridges lots of sort of art form practices, that has at its centre is the nature of water.
Falling into ice water, -70. Cold force 12, eyelids frozen, frostbitten fingers.
The horses, the pigs, swept overboard.
The pressure of weight.
Liam, I'm on the water now! The water shelf!
Oh, I bit my own fingertips off.
You've bitten your own fingertips off!
Frostbite, Paul.
So there's no chance of a game of chess or backgammon?
You can never tell the story of water. To do so would be not only, I suppose, unhelpful, untrue. We wouldn't really get to the heart of this living substance. And so what we chose to do more was to echo the properties of water, the fluid, the chaotic. And so I suppose we've kind of taken that idea and put that into the staging.
The performance piece, it invites the audience to sort of make choices, really, in as much as the whole environmental lobby is trying to make us make choices about how we want to live our lives in a way that is going to engender a better relationship to the planet. We wanted to invite the audience to make choices as to what bits of the performance they may see or may not see.
And what binds these water molecules together are what's called hydrogen bonds. Now, this is an electrical attraction between the hydrogen atom in one molecule and an oxygen atom in the other. Now, these hydrogen bonds bring these molecules together, but they're quite strong but brief. They last 1 billionth of a second only.
As I walked down Palestine Street, I smelled the wide Tigris. The river smell that fills the air in a city such as this. But down on my head fell the barbarian sun that knows no armistice.
I stood one night at Rotherhithe and watched the river writhe at Rotherhithe, and heard barges creak and drowned girls speak in the Thames, Rotherhithe.
Tasting this prehistoric water is good for me. One mouthful, and always so cold it's a shock.
The Tigris green as kingfishers.
The Thames all sparrow brown.
The Tigris black with blood.
The Thames all black with blood.
The Tigris filled with oil.
The Thames all filled with oil.
汚いとかバカとか間抜けとかのろまとかいろいろ言われててこれだけバカにされてんのにどうしてんの？ね、どうしてんの？どうしてそうやってどこに？
The Beaufort scale. 0 under 1 mile per hour, calm, see like a mirror. Force 1, 1 to 3 miles per hour, light air. Ripples with the appearance of scales, no foam crests.
Do you remember, anyone remember snow? Or ice? Do you remember ice?
Force 6, 25 to 31 miles per hour. Strong breeze. Larger waves forming, white horses everywhere, more spray.
And as you can see here, what I can do is I can just put it back together again very, very easily. And look at that. Isn't that incredible? You can't see the joint.
Force 10, 55 to 63 miles per hour. Storm!
Because water's the one that's coming. Yes, water coming out of the ground instead of us going in. Alive, always alive.